Hey Ryan, it's Mrs. Mann. I got your email and I thought I would just send you a quick video. So this is, I think it's equation number 3 or 4 from your puzzle sheet that I just copied and pasted into this software program that I've got. So basically, what makes these just a tad bit more challenging than the two-step equations that you know so well is that there's one more step involved. You have to either use the distributive property, or in this case, you need to combine like terms. So that's really all we have to do. You draw your river, and then you look on the left side, and before you start moving anything around and getting rid of stuff and all that, you just ask yourself, can I combine any like terms? And I sure can. I see a 5x here plus 3x. Okay, so those together make 8x. And then I have a plus 8 and a plus 4, and that makes plus 12. Then we come over here and we look to see if there are any like terms here, and there are. Negative 40 and a positive 4 make negative 36. And then once you get to this step, now you're at a two-step equation. Now you know exactly what to do because you got a Klingon, you got a lonely guy. You obviously are going to get rid of that lonely guy first, so you're going to subtract 12 from both sides. And when you do that, the 12s go away. We're left with 8x equals, we leave, change opposite, we get negative 48. And then finally we divide by 8 on both sides and we get x is equal to negative 6. And so then on your puzzle sheet, you would just make sure that a negative 6 is somewhere on the puzzle sheet. And it is. And so then you know that chances are you're right. You could do the check if you want to. I'm not going to argue with you, but the way I designed the puzzle is so that your check is kind of just looking on a puzzle piece and making sure that you see the solution. So if, for example, you had, hold on, let me pull up one with distributed property. Okay, I was going to copy and paste, but I can't because I'm using the software to record the video. So anyway, I just rewrote it. This is equation number 6 where you've got parentheses. So you have to use the distributive property. So 10 times 1 is 10, plus comes down, 10 times 3x is 30x. And then we have equals negative 80. And then when we draw our river, see, once you just take care of that first step, you're now at a two-step equation that you know how to do, that we've been doing for a while. You would get rid of the 10 because that's the lonely guy. We would need to subtract him from both sides. And I purposely brought this up. We're going to bring down 30x here and then leave change opposite because I had about 6 or 7, almost half of your class today told me, I don't get this. I'm not finding my answer because x would have to be negative 30. I said, guys, come on. Negative 90 divided by 30 is not 30. It's, of course, 3, right? So that would be your solution. So really that's all you have to do is just that one extra step. So go ahead and give it a go. Try, now that you've seen this video, to do as many equations as you can. I wouldn't go past like 9 or 10 because I think that's about as far as anybody got today. And I will see you tomorrow.